lifetime was this one, the world's first fully functional robot. In 1517, at the famous Chateau de Clou in Amboise, France, 65-year-old Leonardo da Vinci presented King Francis I with a gift in the form of a full-sized mechanical lion. Like the replica that exists today in the Chateau Museum, the mechanical lion could move independently and was able to display amazing dexterity.
From the accounts that we have of Leonardo's lion, we know that it moved across the floor on its own power. The vast majority of people who were watching this presentation to the king would probably have encountered the mechanical lion with fear because in their experience they would never have seen something like this that was able to move on its own.
But how did Da Vinci even conceive of such an elaborate and sophisticated device? One that wouldn't be duplicated for another 300 years.
He was challenged by the engineering. How do I get a robot to walk? Even if it's a lion robot, and even if he didn't use the word robot, he did create a functioning robot.
For Leonardo to take his ideas and his drawings and to literally be able to project their use in the future is just remarkable. He's given credit for all mechanical and robot ideas that we know today.
Here at the Leonardo da Vinci Machines exhibition in St. Louis, Missouri, Italian artists and engineers have painstakingly recreated over 60 of Leonardo's inventions.
This is the first tank we know of. Leonardo da Vinci had the idea for the 360-degree firepower. It was originally designed for horses, but the horses became spooked so easily that he quickly designed it to the human being. At the time that it was presented, the tank was a bit impractical, and it was not built till centuries later. This is Leonardo da Vinci's underwater breathing apparatus. Leonardo theorized that you did not want to exhale into the air that you were inhaling. He had the idea for carbon dioxide, and he brought down another tube that you could exhale into that tube, only receiving fresh air from the surface.
He invented the air compressor. Somebody on shore or on a boat could press down and force the air through the tube to the helmet, allow the person to breathe. When the British replicated the Leonardo design, it worked.
But of all Leonardo da Vinci's incredible inventions, perhaps the most impressive are those involving aircraft technology. Nearly 400 years before the Wright brothers' first flight at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the 15th century inventor had designed numerous flying machines, including a hang glider and an aircraft that operated like a modern-day helicopter.
This is Leonardo da Vinci's famous air screw, and this is the first attempt that we know of for vertical flight. This was designed to have 4 human beings run around in a circle, providing power, literally screwing it up into the air. The air screw resembles our modern-day helicopters.
Leonardo needed to know answers to some of the big questions, which the ancient alien question has as well, the question of flight.
There is no question in my mind that a person like Leonardo da Vinci most certainly asked himself the question, are we alone in the universe? And his conclusion, even at that time, was no.
What was the source of Leonardo da Vinci's incredible and prophetic inventions? Were they the product of his immense genius? Or is it possible, as ancient astronaut theorists believe, that Leonardo had been influenced by an otherworldly intelligence? An intelligence